Snapchat is reportedly testing for its paid subscription called Snapchat Plus internally, as confirmed by Snap spokesperson Liz Markman. The paid subscription from Snapchat is said to provide users an early access to features as well as other abilities announced on the app. As reported earlier, the one-month subscription for Snapchat Plus is expected to cost €4.59, while the users can buy 6 months plan at €24.99. The one-year subscription plan is said to come with a price tag of €45.99. The social network Snapchat is working internally on its paid subscription service, claimed Snap spokesperson Liz Markman in a statement to The Verge. In a statement to the website, Markman shared that the company is currently busy doing early internal testing of Snapchat Plus. "We're excited about the potential to share exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features with our subscribers, and learn more about how we can best serve our community," he added. In addition, the company could offer a one-week free trial for users to encourage paid subscription. The payment will reportedly be linked to the user's Play Store account, and the service will be auto-renewed after a selected interval until the user cancels it. Snapchat Plus is also said to offer users custom Snapchat icons and a special badge. Users are said to be allowed to pin a conversation with a friend.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.